explain to everybody what you're doing. Don't get off.
I wasn't going to get off. I was going to fall off.
Okay.
I'm squeezing all the air out of our compression bag.
This is the Ornery One, and you're watching our BC by BC 22 ride.
Yes, which is a border-to-border and coast-to-coast 11,000-mile ride, 2 different highways, all along the backwoods of America.
That's right. If you guys like motorcycle content, then you're at the right channel. Please subscribe, like, and share with your riding buddies. Oh yeah, let's get to it. That's what we use. This one has a hole in it, so it's no longer worthy compaction. So we put all of our clothes and it goes right into our bag. On top of compressing it down, it does keep it from getting wet or anything spilling on it in the bag. That's all of our clothes, guys. I know it looks like a lot, but that's going from East Coast to West Coast, down to the border, back up to the border, back over to Sturgis. So keep in mind that we're washing clothes every 3 days. That has our it has a long sleeve a piece, or 2 jackets, a pair of jeans a piece, and some underwear, and a few shirts. Underwear is plus. Doesn't take much room for Steph because there ain't much there, but mine take a little bit more room. And then she's just packing it in there, and that is pretty much it. There's our, that's our like medicine bag or toothbrush or necessities to stay not stinky. And then we come over here, got Steph's bag there. It looks like last night we had to get $20 worth of quarters to do laundry. What the fuck? Here in Eureka, Nevada. Our helmets, her laptop, her bag that holds her electronics. So, kind of gives you an idea. And then that box is the drone. And that's it. And it takes up all of our room. We do have a spare set of shoes that we bought that are packed in tour pack. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's like I said. Well, that's pretty much it. You've seen what we've got there and what we don't have. Yesterday was amazing. We ran Utah. We rode all of Utah and went to Moab. And the last night coming through, you guys probably see it on the video. We got here in Eureka last night about 10 o'clock. The streets roll up here in Eureka, Nevada at 10 o'clock. We got here about 15 minutes before. By the time we got checked in, laid down, it's probably 11 o'clock, 11:30-ish. Steph is doing some laundry. We're back up at it now, like 8 o'clock. It's pushing 9. We got to get on the road. I'd like to see us get on the East Coast or West Coast this evening, but we need to go live and make some content, so I'm not sure if that's going to happen. Yesterday we rode about 600 miles on 50 and went down to Moab. So, respect.
Recording.
Welcome to Austin, y'all. And it ain't Austin, Texas, that's for sure. Austin, Nevada. Really cool switchbacks coming down into the little town here. Probably should have recorded, but didn't. Stop up here and get fuel.
Hey, babe.
Hey.
So, Austin, Nevada is one of only 4 towns along this 280-mile long segment of America's loneliest road.
Huh.
So, of course,
I'm going to fill up.
Yes.
And I'm going to say thanks to Full Throttle Law out here in the West for getting our fuel and topping off each gas stop that we do out through Nevada. It means a lot to us.
Central Overland Trail, Middlegate Station. So Middlegate is right up the road from us, which we're gonna stop. It says at Middlegate and stop to feed and take a lunch. It is now 20 or 27 miles to the next water, and not very good at that. We have some rough road again today. She'll have some sand before we get through. Delia Thompson Brown, August 24th, 1860. Found it.
What the hell are you doing with my boot?
You threw it the wrong way. That's the shoe tree.
Oh, shit. Yeah, the shoe tree. What the hell's all that about? Shit. That's a shitload of sand. If anybody's needing any, there you go. They'd probably find the shit out of you.
Recording.
Really quick though, this is pretty cool. On the side of the road, people have taken rocks and wrote all kinds of shit. It said prom, and I can't read it all because I'm going 100 miles an hour. We the United States. Over here, lots of road. Oh, that's lava rocks, what it looks like. Anyway, lots of words. Like I said, I can't read them. We're going so fast. And I sure the fuck ain't gonna slow. There was a penis. That was a penis squirting a little love juice. I've seen that. So, I mean, you never know where you're going to see on the loneliest road. You could see somebody's phallus. Phyllis. I just wanted to show y'all that because it's probably about over. And then I'd have been like, damn, I should have showed y'all. All I want to do is show y'all. Can't you just watch my stuff? Let me show you. Then like it. Share it. But no. You gotta sit there in your recliner, eat your Doritos, suck down your pop, and criticize me. I watched The Joker last night.